Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 5.8 question number 1. Examine whether the following are polygons. If any one of them is not, say why. Now, first of all, we have to know what is the definition of polygon. Polygon, there are two properties of polygon. First one is the figure should be closed. The figure the figure the figure should be closed. Should be should be closed. The figure should be closed. And the second property is that it should be made of line segment. It should be it should be it should be made of made of line segment. Line segments. Right? That means a polygon is a figure which should be closed and should be made of line segments. Now you see in the first case, that is question number A, it is like this, that means it is not a closed figure, therefore it is not a polygon, right? Therefore it is a not a polygon. A question A is not a polygon. Not a polygon. Now question number B, you see this one, this figure. Here you see that suppose if we take this point as A, and this is a closed figure. Why? Because the initial point and final point is same, right? It goes here, there, it goes there, and comes back to the same point. Therefore, it is a closed figure, right? And you see all these are of line segment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? All these are line segment. Therefore, it is a polygon, right? A polygon is a figure which should be closed and made up of line segment. That is a polygon. Therefore, it is a polygon. It is a polygon. Now see, you see, this is a closed figure. Suppose I take a point this here. This is point B. And it starts from here and goes there and come to the same point. The initial point and final point same. That is, it is a closed figure. But it is not made up of line segment. Therefore, it is not a polygon. Therefore, it is not a polygon. Therefore, it is not a polygon. Not a polygon. Right? Now, question number D. Here you see, suppose I take this point as C point, right? When it starts from here, goes here, and again back come to the same point C. It is a closed figure, but this is a line segment. This is also line segment, but this is not a line segment. It is a curve. Therefore, we say that it is not a polygon. It is not a polygon, right? Not a polygon. This is the solution of question number 1. You see here, polygons are the figures which should be closed figure and they should be made up of line segment. But this is not a closed figure, therefore it is not a polygon. This figure is closed and is made up of line segment, therefore it is a polygon. It is not a polygon, it is a closed figure, but it is not a polygon because it is not made up of line segments. In this figure, you see this is a closed figure, but this and this are line segment, but this is not a line segment, it is a curve. Therefore, this is not a polygon. This is the solution of question number 5.81. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.